There is an exit policy which is being announced on the 25th, which will be announced by Honorable Chief Minister, wherein people will be able to give their plots to somebody else to bring up new industry. Otherwise, it has come to our notice that more than 12 lakh square meters in industrial area in the industrial estate is lying unutilized. Either it is plain plot which the industrialist took up, nothing was done, or a half-constructed shed you will find, or you will find where business took place for some time, after that shed is closed. So they should be re-allotted, or they should be allowed to give it to somebody else where they also don't lose money, they will also get their money. As well as a new entrepreneur will come and he will have that plot or that shed or other amenities which are already created, so that new industry comes and new employment is built up for our youth.